Manage your diabetes with a UVON blood glucose monitor kit. Accurate, easy, and reliable. Are you looking for a reliable solution to monitor your blood glucose levels? Look no further. Introducing the AUVON blood glucose monitor kit, the ultimate companion for managing diabetes. With its high accuracy and user-friendly design, this kit is here to make your life easier and healthier. With just 5 simple steps, you can get quick and accurate blood glucose results. Don't worry if you're new to monitoring, our comprehensive video guide will walk you through the process. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, our friendly customer support team is always ready to assist you. Plus, we offer a 30-day money-back guarantee for your peace of mind. Our AUVON BGMs, blood glucose monitors, exceed international standards, providing results within plus or minus 10% or plus or minus 10 milligrams per deciliter of laboratory values over 95% of the time. That's far beyond ISO 15197 to 2013 passing standards. We are proud to be certified with CE Mark, GMP, ISO 13485 to 2016, and ISO 15197 to 2013, ensuring the highest quality and reliability. With a stellar track record of 14 years, you can trust our brand. One of the highlights of our kit is the cutting-edge test strips. We use advanced automatic carbon printing technique, resulting in greater stability, precision, and accuracy for each batch of strips. And the best part? You can purchase these high-quality strips for only 16 United States cents per piece, offering both value and performance. Tracking and managing your health is made effortless with our included logbook and the machine's ability to calculate 7, 14, and 30 days average results. With just a few blood samples, you'll have readings in just 6 seconds. And don't worry about battery life. Our automatic power-off feature ensures longer usage without wasting energy. In this all-in-one package, you'll receive the AUVON DSW blood glucose monitor, battery, logbook, 50 blood test strips, 50 lancets, lancing device, storage bag, meter user guide, and test strip user guide. And to top it all off, we offer an exclusive lifetime warranty, technical support, and friendly customer service. Take control of your diabetes management with the AUVON blood glucose monitor kit. Don't miss out on this opportunity to simplify your life and prioritize your health. Order now and experience the accuracy, convenience, and reliability you deserve.